Alright, it's Julian Krypto, my second 6:40 AM Polish time, Central European time. So let's start it. On-chain data. First of all, as you can see right here, long-term hodler selling here, 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 and here. And previously, just after such behavior, the crypto price, the Bitcoin price went down here 6%, 3%, 3%, almost 2%. And what will happen now? Of course, you can play it, you can do whatever you want, but you have to know that whatever you do, you stay in Bitcoin, you stay in stable coins, you are doing something, you are gambling something. So decide what is the better thing for you right now, what is the better thing for your capital right now. We'll analyze on-chain metrics in the end of this video, but right now let's take a look at the news, fundamental metrics. So the crypto world from Maximus Max Data /news. First of all, luxury health club Equinox to start accepting cryptocurrency payments in New York City. So Equinox has over $2 billion capitalization. Next piece of news, Dubai property developer to accept Bitcoin and Ethereum payments. Damak Properties has over $8 billion in market cap. Next piece of news, Telegram now allows you to send crypto payments to other users via integration with an app, basically integration with toncoin. So how it is possible? It is pretty I don't know if it's really easy or if it's not, but wait a second, where is that? Here, yeah, my wallet. So basically this is that app, you can check it. And toncoin, how many Telegram have users? It's over 550 million users, active users right now. And toncoin is here, this is their site, and the price maybe go up next couple of weeks. Next piece of news. DeGods DAO just bought a basketball team in Ice Cube, big free league for more than $600 million. Okay, nice. And warning, how smartphones text prediction guesses crypto holders seed phrase. So basically, if you write down your crypto seed phrase anywhere, basically any kind of app like SwiftKey or Microsoft or any kind of other keyboard can just guess your seed phrase. So don't do it. Don't write down your seeds in front of such intelligent software. Why did an anonymous donor give Alex Jones $1 million in Bitcoin? So basically, yes, Alex Jones has over $1 million donation in Bitcoin. And to remind you, Alex Jones was banned some time ago from over about 100 different social media. The largest NFT mint in history, Bored Ape, other side virtual land sale, raises $320 million. So this is pretty big. Okay, we will wait for next moves of Bored Ape. Right here, Bored Ape, it's their site, and Bored Ape Yacht Club. Right here, this is ApeCoin, has over $24 worth, and right now it's about again $16. Tell me, what do you think about it? Do you play Ape? What is your opinion? Next piece of news, Warren Buffett gives his most expensive explanation for why he doesn't believe in Bitcoin, and his friend Charlie Munger says he doesn't like Bitcoin because it's stupid, evil, and make people look bad. So here's what Warren Buffett said.
Now, the Bitcoin in the world, and you offered it to me for $25. I wouldn't take it because what would I do with it? I have to sell it back to you one way or another. I mean, maybe I have the same people, but it isn't going to do anything. The apartments are going to produce rental, and the farms are going to produce food. And if I've got all the Bitcoin, I'm back where whatever his name was, who may or may not have existed, was 15 years ago. If I've got it all, he could create a mystery about it. But everybody knows what I'm like. I mean, so if I'm trying to get rid of it, people will say, well.
Okay, so basically Warren Buffett said that if anyone would own all of Bitcoins, he don't want it. But the point is that there is no one person who owns all of Bitcoins. There are plenty of people. Many people owns pieces of Bitcoins, and because of that, it's really valuable right now. I guess that Bitcoin, that probably the Warren Buffett doesn't understand that the value of Bitcoin lies in saving energy, cheap, fast transfers, and this is really secure chain. This is really secure way of accessing wealth. All right, I see that right now the Bitcoin is rising. All right, so in such situation like we have right now, so Bitcoin basically is rising. So doing something opposite when we suppose when we thought it will do, it's nothing to worry about. It's just statistic. Yeah, you have to understand that we analyze the statistics, and we analyze the most important thing is to observe what is going on big screen. Don't worry about few kind of mistakes. Of course, we will see if it was a mistake or if it was not a mistake today, later. All right, let's take a look at another piece of news. Chris Dixon thinks Web3 is the future of the internet. And Chris Dixon is an American internet entrepreneur working with Andreessen Horowitz. And yes, Web3 might be the future of internet, probably is. And especially if such companies like Amazon has ambitions to take on SpaceX in satellite internet business. And that kind of information is also pretty good for Web3 because it's decentralized satellite internet. And here we have info from BitMEX ex-CEO Arthur Hayes is explaining here in this article why, in his opinion, Bitcoin would reach $1 million in 8 years. Here is his Twitter account. You can read it. And after 8 years, Wikipedia stops accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum donations because of the poll. 70% of respondents wanted to discontinue all cryptocurrency donations. And why? Maybe because Bitcoin is in downtrend in most people's opinion right now. So maybe because of that. Here is an automated crypto investing, and they are bragging about their big gains. But I signed in, and when I signed in, I noticed that they don't have such big gains like they are bragging about. But why I'm showing this to you? I'm showing this to you because we in Maximus also would like to do such AI which will be predicting the market, and you will be able to use it to save your time. Right now, of course, we have these tools, and soon, hopefully, we will have a neural network, so AI. All right, and next piece of news, Bitcoin halving model suggests 24,000 bottom before year's end. And if it will be true, many people will be in a loss, and it is quite possible. But let's take a look at other analysis. So TechDev is suggesting that right here we are in the bottom right now. Blockwise is suggesting that also it's time to buy Bitcoin. T-Analyst also is suggesting, according to RSI, that it's a great time to accumulate. Here, Plan C is showing the correlation between Bitcoin and other coins. And for example, right here, Bitcoin has one of the most Ethereum, a correlation with Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, Chainlink, etc. And the least correlated with Stepped, ApeCoin, Monero, Monero, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, etc. Right? Okay. And another meme is from Will Clementine here. Bitcoin is still trading 40k in 2122. And here Elon Musk told us few months ago, couple months ago, that Tesla will start accepting Bitcoin again if there will be confirmation of reasonable about 50% clean energy usage by miners. So right now Bitcoin Archive is suggesting that mining uses 58% clean energy. Here On-Chain College is also suggesting we are close to Bitcoin bottom according to dormancy flow. And here BTC Fuel is suggesting that right now we might go up because of we are in an uptrend according to them. Okay, so that is everything. Thank you guys and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.